Hey, hello, what's up YouTube? This is David. In today's video, I'm going to share with you what I've learned about using this AverageIf, the AverageIf function. Before we dive in, let's dissect what input does it need. First of all, it needs a range. Then second of all, it needs a criteria. So the criteria can be a text, like a pit, or can be a number integer like less than or more than, but it has to be followed by 2 semicolon. Okay, so now you understand what AverageIf requires. Okay, basically AverageIf returns the average of a range. How would you use it? For me as a trader, I have this thing called the average win. I need to determine during my 30 days what is the average win that I have and an average loss. So as you can see, the calendar that I set is according to the date and the day, and yeah, but what is missing is the days. So I could actually remove them. I could actually remove the day and make it easier for me, but the problem is it's not, because I need to see which day because I set individual sheet, and the sheet will pull in the data for the days itself. So it's not accurate if I do this. Let me explain. If I do AverageIf, okay, and I select the range, which is here to here, then what it would take is it will include the dates as well, which is not what I want. So I found out actually you can actually skip the date or skip the rows or columns just by using curly brackets. Okay, so back to the previous. What do you mean by curly brackets? Okay, the average win for this March is $103.78, but I've included curly brackets to avoid the days that I've set. Okay, wait, let me see. Okay, so anything more than 0 is actually green, anything less than 0 is red. So let me show you what I mean. So if I use AverageIf and I do not want to include the date, all I have to do is do curly brackets, and all I have to do is select the column and the row. That's it. Then I can bypass the date by doing a comma and select the row and select the column and the row again, and bypass the date by adding a comma, and select the column and the row again, then comma, select the row. Okay, something's wrong here. Wait, let's try again. So these two, select the column and the row, comma, select the column and the row. Okay, so this is only first part. Second part is I need to set the criteria. So anything above 0 is actually good for me. Okay, I got it. Let's see what is wrong. Okay, because I put the criteria inside the curly bracket, which is wrong. So I put this. Okay. The average win was only $38. Okay, so let me try again because I got it wrong. It's not $38. Let's do equals AverageIf. select the column and the row, do a comma, select the column and the row, 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 comma. Okay, let's do an array. Okay, so this is how you use AverageIf. And if you need to jump rows, you can actually just add a curly bracket so that it becomes an array. Let's do the same for the average loss. Anything less than 0 is actually a loss for me because I'm not making money. Okay, the same thing. Select the column and the row and put a comma. Select the column and the row and put a comma. Select the column and the row, comma. Select the column and the row, comma. Select the row and the column. Okay, so the average loss is it correct? Let me put a pause on this video. Okay, so it is. So for the month of April and the month of March, I suck, but it's okay, I'm learning, even though the numbers are getting bigger. Oh, that's not the focus of this video, but if you now you understand how I use AverageIf. Okay, we're back. So now you understand how I use AverageIf, the function, to select the average wins and losses of my month, and how to use curly brackets to skip rows or to skip columns if, let's say, that is the range that you only want to target. I hope you understand how to use AverageIf function in Google Sheet, and if you find this video useful, please like. And if you're new to this video, this is where I talk about stocks, talk about using Google Sheets to create my custom stock scanner. I'll catch you in another video. Bye.